In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use segments in Brevo. Segments let you target the right contacts at the right time by grouping them based on shared attributes or behaviors. By the end, you'll know how to log in, find the segments area, build a segment from scratch or a template, fine-tune your filters with and or logic, and save it neatly so your team can use it in campaigns and automations. Start by heading to the Brevo login page. On the Sign In screen, choose Sign In with Google. If your workspace uses Google authentication, this is the quickest route. Select the appropriate Google account to continue. If you're asked for basic permissions, confirm them so Brevo can authenticate you securely. Once you're in the app, go to the CRM section from the main navigation. This is where your contacts and segmentation tools live. Inside CRM, locate the Segments area. This is the hub for creating new segments and managing existing ones. Click Create a Segment to get started. You'll see two main options. Choose Create Segment from scratch if you want complete control over the rules. This is ideal when you already know the exact conditions you want to use. Alternatively, pick a segment template for a pre-built starting point. Templates give you common use cases you can customize, which can save time and help you follow best practices. Now use the segment builder to add your filters. You can filter by contact attributes like location or tags, by engagement such as email opens or clicks, or by transactional data like purchase history, depending on the data you store in Brevo. Combine conditions using AND when all criteria must be true, or OR when any of several criteria should qualify a contact. A helpful tip is to start broad and then narrow your filters, watching the estimated contact count update so you keep the segment meaningful but not overly restrictive. When your rules look good, click Save as Segment. Give your segment a clear descriptive name that matches its purpose, such as recent buyers, last 90 days, or engaged newsletter readers. Consistent naming makes segments easier to find later. Next, select the folder where you want this segment to live. Organizing by team, campaign type, or lifecycle stage helps keep your workspace tidy and your colleagues aligned. Finally, click Create. Your segment is now saved and will dynamically update as contacts meet or no longer meet the criteria. You can use it in campaigns, workflows, and reports to improve targeting, deliver relevance, and track performance. That's it, your Brevo segmentation workflow end to end.